Welcome to the Chef's Kitchen Cabinet. This is the channel for assets, resources, and other stuffs for the design chefs on Cool Graphics. So these are 40 3D text effects that you can use on your flyers or your recipes. Okay, so let's jump in and see how you can use it. If you know how to use it, the link is in the description. Just grab them and let's jump in. So when you download the zip file and you extract, you have two other zip files, which is the free 3D bright text effects, and that's version 1 and version 2. Okay, so or volume 1, volume 2. So when you extract, you have these two folders. Okay, so the first one has 20 text effect, 3D text effect, and these are the 3D text effects, and the other one also has 20. Okay, and the PSD files are in here. Okay, so let's go back to the first guy and let's choose one. So let's pick the Lord textile effect. So double click on it. So when you double click on it, it will open up in Photoshop, and if we check the layers panel, okay, let me drag it up like that. You can see double click to change text. This is the layer that you should be clicking to change the text if you want. So you have to click on this thumbnail, okay, this guy right here, double click there and it will open up here. All this is saying is that missing fonts, you don't have the fonts they used on your computer, so you can go to don't resolve or cancel. Okay, so we are here and we just need to grab the type tool, and when you click, it will give you a warning that it is changing it to a default, another font on your computer. So you have to click OK and it will change to another font. Okay, so I can change this to God if I want. No. Okay, so with this, all that I need to do now is just go to file and then save. So it is saved and I can come here. So it is changed over here to God. Okay, so if you don't want this, you can just come back here and then add another if you want to make changes, whether the size or anything else. After that, you just go to file or hit Ctrl S to save, and then you go back and it is here. So what is left now is saving for PNG. So we have to remove the text, these text right here, and the background also, and if we want, we can take away the shadows. Okay, I normally take away the shadows depending on the design that I'm using on. Okay, so taking off, we have to take off the text first before we take away the background. So this is the title. You see on the layers panel, you see title. We can take away the title, and now let's go for the background. Okay, so let's take away the background, and you can see on top of the background we have FX shadows. So if you want to take away the shadows, you can go ahead, just hide the shadows. Okay, if you want to, you can leave it like that. Then from here, you just go to file, save as, then you look for a location and you drop this and save it as PNG. Select PNG, okay, and then hit save, and it will be saved and you can go ahead and use it. So make sure you subscribe to the kitchen cabinet and make sure you subscribe to Cool Graphics. I'm out. Peace.